Alright, welcome back to... Okay, welcome back to some Insurgency Sandstorm. We're back at power plant, a little laggy, a little loud, very loud. Desert Eagle is a bold choice. I like this guy. He is not afraid to live.
Station, this is observer.
Oh yeah, I'm not getting this guy's loadout. Oh, we are not on power plant. A bone stock M4 is an interesting choice.
Alright, I'm out. Later.
Weirdly enough, he did spend a supply on that site, but he just used the carry handle. So he really wanted that minimalist style.
Hey, I'm reloading. وقف يا أخي let me reload.
Alright, now you gotta see my,
Yeah, come on, we gotta go. Good to go. Let's do it. I'm uninjured. I'm on low ammo, low.
this horrendous, setup I have here.
Does anyone here have Mike?
Yeah, I've got Mike. Evening, man.
Oh shit, okay. Yeah, I'm a little washed up. Not washed up, rusty, that's the one. Orange is just flying to the objective. Oh, the G3. Oh. Oh, the one. Oh man, that one guy's made it to a point. This looks so cool.
I'm loading.
And I might have to do this one in offline play. This looks awesome.
All right, let's go. Good shit. Hey, quick goggle, fucking spread it out. Cover me, cover me. Guys, on your knees. Over here. Hey. Flash! Shit! Reloading!
I'm a trailer, guys!
Hey! I'm reloading!
Nope, they gotta.
Yeah, we destroyed
Yep, they got the thermite through it. Decided that was not my problem anymore. Let's see here. Which one is lower? Alright, so this is definitely higher magnification than the current one. I think there's a visual way to tell with this optic, but it's only like one supply point, so whatever.
Take your shelter!
Man, I hope I got somebody with that. That was an excellent throw. Not throw, shot. There we go. think I've got a hold for good kills.
I'm reloading.
Smoke artillery, my friend. Speaking of,
Get down on the ground.
just in case anyone wants to put any business out here. Which it looks like they did. I am so smart.
Get down.
Let me check real quick. What even is? Oh, it's a 1x by
Don't be
4x,
stupid, man. Give up. On the ground now.
and it's only 1 point. Yeah, this might be a. I like the QBZ, but this might be
Get down on the ground.
this might be a new
Got a
popular one.
shitload of luminance on the other side of this wall, right side of the point.
Knock it on the knock.
Drop it.
You're in trouble now.
Reloading.
New
I
man.
saw that guy.
Counterattack's over.
Speak up. How are we looking? I'm good.
Two guys behind my back.
Fuck.
I have it.
Reload here.
Where's the ammo box? Over here. Alright, 10-4.
This target.
Station, gunship on its way. Stand by.
There you go.
Trouble now.
Is it V for voice? Maybe. What is he using? Oh, that looked awesome. Oh, that looked beautiful. I gotta put my water away real quick. I don't think he made it.
5 down.
I'm gonna go off on a limb.
Down.
Mosin Man would go crazy on this map.
Come back, you heavy! Finish run. Assassin is exiting.
Let's hear about it. Well, let's get the hell out of here.
Ah, son of a bitch.
So.
Okay.
Gunship is headed back now.
Wait a minute, this is not my camo pattern, is it?
Station out.
Who the hell is this guy? I spent so much money on camouflage. Why am I not wearing it?
That's the way we do it.
They made out.
Good teamwork.
Call for a helo. Minigun support at this location. We're clear. Support calling. At this target.
Counterattack!
Mortars!
Behind us.
Please be chemical mortars.
Fuck, he come.
We came from the
In the tunnel.
bus.
Observer, this is Clark. Moving in.
Oh, this is very scary. This is very scary. Who's flashbanging? What's happened?
That guy's on the point! Casualty!
Who's casualty? Shit.
Taking fire up here.
We're shooting at figures in the smoke clouds.
Reload.
Yeah, we learned too. We got multiple contacts coming towards the corner.
I can't see everybody. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Alright, back out.
Death squad's in the distance.
Drop it.
Careful! Using a Molotov!
Fuck it, I'm throwing. Incendiary.
Back on ammo, guys!
Alright, they probably have that covered. I'm gonna real quick.
What the fuck?
Shit, sorry about that, teammate.
That's okay. It's okay.
Enemy on the objective!
Whoever I killed, my bad.
I'm reloading.
Alright, there we go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.